On this video, I want to share this model kit. I think it's an old kit out of production. It's made by this company, Revival. Let's open this box and see what is inside. So, okay. Here, set of instructions. Yeah, you can see there it's made in Italy. I mean, the fact that it says Telex, it totally, you can see that it's an old kit, like a very old kit. I don't know, 90s, 80s. Anyway, let's check out the really quick instructions. You know, kind of like the regular instructions you can find pretty much in every model kit. It doesn't compare to the modern Tamiyas or Dragon or any of the other modern companies. It doesn't break down the steps really how to build it, so it can be challenging for beginners. Yeah, let's check out inside the box. So inside the box, you know, set of pieces. I can see here parts of the engine, wheels. This is the rims, like the wire rims. It's like hard plastic, and it's in the center of the sprue. It comes with these little rings. Probably to cap the wheel when you put it in the axle. Rubber tires. It comes with a set of 4, 2, 3, 4, and then you can see here it's all plastic. I know there is a version or a similar version of this kit that is made out of metal, but this is, you know, just regular plastic. So you can see here the chassis parts, and let's see, the body of the car and the engine. Let's put this thing out. So, I mean, it's 2 pieces. It doesn't come in one. You can see here. Yeah, there is a little bit of a mark here that need to be, you know, filled up and sand. Very cool kit. I think with a little bit of work it can turn out in a really neat model. You know, the engine, again, this is 1/20th scale, so the engine looks pretty big. So we have the 2 parts here. I think it can be detailed to a really neat piece. Okay, set of decals. And the seat, and not really sure what it is, if it's like wires for the engine, for the motor. Let's keep checking. Okay, these are metal parts, like white metal parts. So, you know, steering wheel, probably this is part of the front suspension, and some pins. Let's open this bag, and let's check what is inside. So you can see a lot of bars, and maybe the, you know, the bar that goes underneath, or, you know, from the suspension to the differential, and these other pipes and tubes that I know some of these tubes. I don't know if this one, but some of these tubes, I'm sure that they are the exhaust that goes right here, and yeah, more like little screws. That's what I'm telling you guys. This model definitely not for a beginner, and I'm not saying that it cannot be built by a beginner, but it'll be a little bit difficult. Pretty neat kit. I think think it will make a really nice, model of this Alfa Romeo P3. This car is one of the best looking cars. Really recommend, because really there's not too many options. I'm really pleased with this model. Really neat stuff. I think you won't regret it. I mean, you don't have too many options if you want to build a kit like this.